Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Wednesday, December 2nd. We're going to take a look at gold in one of the setups from the futures trading room earlier today. That was a short setup in gold. Now, there were two different entry opportunities. First one we're going to look at is this pennant pattern that was on the 30-minute price chart. Now, we looked at this before it had broken out. First thing in the morning at 8 a.m., we look at two markets right at 8 a.m. The first one is crude oil and the second one is gold. And the reason we do that is because between 8 a.m. and 8:30, a lot of times you'll get a move in both crude and gold. So we looked at gold. We said, okay, we have a pennant pattern, so we're going to be watching for a breakout. The support lower end of that pennant is at 63.40, and resistance is going to be up at 69.10, 69.20. Then the other entry was a bear flag on a 60-minute chart. So we had come down and we put in higher lows. And then as soon as you break the previous bar's low, as long as momentum stays bearish, you have a bear flag. So went down, we had the higher lows and then break the previous bar's low. Triggers your entry. That previous bar's low was at 65.70. It broke below it, which means you would have been selling at 65.50, 65.40. And I ended up selling off very nicely to the downside. That would have gotten you in right before it broke this trend line, broke out of the pennant and dropped to the floor. Now we did have a target for this on the trend line here. That was at about 56.60, 57. Ended up breaking right through that and has continued on down. Now the next support level for that is going to be the previous pivot low at 51.60. So all in all, not a bad day for trading gold. You had two different entry opportunities, the bear flag for the first one or the breakout of the pennant for the second one. So not a bad day for gold traders. That's all I have for you for today, though. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.